So, naturally, the factories, any surviving factory will develop coping mechanisms. Promote partly trained loud shouts to run the lines. Do you all have such people? Please raise hands. Okay, that's Roger. You have seen a lot of them. Built-in machine operators living wage to include OT. Otherwise, where do you get the buffer? Use cute drag and drop planning tools to move work to additional lines or subcontract work. So smaller factories also should be there to play the game on. Get extensions, deliver small batches or air freight if everything goes wrong. And they always miss the icing on the export cake, hardly shipping the 1% or 2% extra allowed. And also we have the HR brigades recruiting in Nagar Panchayat, so bankers saying relocate in Haryana or some place. So what are the other variants? Last one is expect IEs, industrial engineers, Excel SMV calculator to fix symptoms, missing the root causes of this huge variance I showed you here. So you expect industrial engineers SMV calculator to fix symptoms, missing the root causes. Right. This is a very recent photograph in a very close by place. Do you notice the low-hanging fruit here? I have given a clue. One thing you can't recycle is wasted time, said Taichi Ono, the Japanese lean guru. Do you notice the low-hanging fruit here? See these lines, they don't have work. They are waiting for the next piece. They should be waiting for the next bundle. They are not waiting for bundles. Who waits for bundles? They are waiting for the next piece so that they can look busy when the bosses come around. If you look busy when the bosses come around, you're all right. It reminds me to tell, am I behind time? One or two stories? See, I was a computer guy and I was writing programs and fascinated when I was young, little younger than this, still I'm young. I used to sell this program and be very happy about it until a British consultant whom I met through UNIDO in Sri Lanka said that you can do little bit more with the knowledge you have. So as he suggested, I started looking for consultancy arrangements with factories. Me not being able to sew 1 inch, not knowing how to prepare a bulletin, not knowing what a CM price is, who will take me to do consultancy? Then I started approaching the customers very, very close to my home. The first one being Maliban Textiles of Sri Lanka, which is only 8 kilometers. I've been, going there and telling their bosses, workers, industrial engineers that I would like to come and help them free because they brought my software 5 years back. So I said, I'm willing to come and help you free. I can see you are wasting a lot of time. So I do this once every month. And after 3 months, I get a call from the work study in charge lady saying, Mr. Kirti, if you can come, we can do something here, they said. The bosses have no time to talk to me. This lady called me and said, if you come, we can do something. So when I went there, I found that they have recruited they had a newly recruited merchandising executive. He has been promoted as a factory manager. So the company was willing to take a risk with me because they were anyway risking the factory with a new factory manager. So The factory manager also being, new and young, and, he also was looking forward to see whether I can do something for them we together. And, I almost worshipped them that I will do this free. Just allow me to, come and be around here. And finally, we managed to fix some times to meet. And I spoke to one of the supervisors. And she said, yes, that's how we have taught them. If anybody is around, they have to sew, whether there is thread or not. If the boss is coming, you have to be sewing. It doesn't matter whether the thread is there on the needle or not. Seriously, this is what happened. And there was this particular supervisor who thought it's good enough to share. I mean, I have been hanging around with them and trying to help them. Maybe she felt that I'm not trying to, fix them up with this. So, I went to the bosses and said, this is what is happening. Why don't we give them newspapers? So that their brains will start working when they are not sewing. The bosses said, no, that can't be done. Can't give newspapers, that will be another problem. So, with this, we started tracking idle time due to various causes. And after 3-4 months, I got a consultancy, and the factory gave me 6 months' work at reducing rates, starting at a high rate, reducing rate, because the moment you set your foot in and get the skills up, your values start going down actually. Serious. Yes, that happens to any consultant. That's why you get chased out, because some internal champion will find all the faults of consultant. It happened to me so many times, it doesn't matter. Well, if it happens, at least you have achieved, you have imparted the knowledge. If you are not chased out, that means they have not learned or you have not taught. So, after 6 months, I was chased out, and I figured out towards the last month, they are not implementing easy things. They waited till I go to do so that they can claim the glory of it. Serious. Having said the name, I'm proud because that company has gone bounds and leaps. Within 6 months, the 2-story factory became 1-story factory. Because they didn't need to recruit every time somebody leaves. Sometimes leaving was all right because the idle times were reducing, a lot of things were happening. So I should say that the first consultancy was cheap. The second one I didn't get from the management. Second one I got from the chairman, who doesn't get involved with nitty-gritty. He gave me a call and said, you come and work for us again. Then I had to go and fight it out with the management, the terms, which was a 1-year program, which gave me about 5 times more money than the first. But the point I'm trying to say is that made me a consultant. I should have done both free. But doing free means they don't feel the pinch and it doesn't work. Unless it is Maliban Textiles in 2000 something. There it worked, even working free. So, okay, basically this photograph reminded me that story. Sorry, I took you a lot of time. This is the case in most of the factories. But I must say, well, I have seen factories where they have enough bundles, even in Bangladesh. Last week I saw. And when you look at it, very difficult to figure out why are they talking to us if they are so good? If everybody is having work, why should they be talking to vendors? Later, I asked them how many garments per person per day. In Bangladesh, it ranges between 7 to 12 garments per day. And this factory was producing 5. So with that, inefficiency built in, they can give everybody enough work in progress. Now this is where the problem is. For some reason, they didn't know what the average was. They worked it out then and there, so they just came out. This is last week. Okay. So the solution is, PMTS is the strategic engineering response and action plan that require allocation and reallocation of resources. Today's challenge is not having more information. Devise less resource-intensive ways to collect information and efficient ways to filter and disseminate. So therefore, to that end, I restrict my reports to one page. When the going is good, the professional tools known for centuries such as PMTS are not even attempted by owners and factories. They are not comfortable as long, most factory owners are comfortable as long as they make bottom line, but can't focus to figure out missed opportunity and afraid to rock the boat by embracing PMTS change. What to expect from an easy PMTS? It is for predicting the labor cost before production starts, knowing the method. You can establish the time ahead of production and get layouts, workplace engineering, guide folders, etc. Plan and be proactive. Professionalism and visibility will be brought in. You don't have to get Professor Chakrabarti from 3 Idiots to run your industrial engineering department. Otherwise, with today's current workload, one hand is not enough. You will need Bowman Irani to come and teach them how to write. Okay, why invest on error-proofing your industrial engineer? The next slides are from my previous presentations, one from the 30 Factory project VIP in Sri Lanka in 2006 and another project last year in Turkey, apparel clustering. This was in 2006, mistake proofing. Where does mistake proofing fit in your quality toolbox? In place of complexity, mistakes and variation within your own factory culture. Each must be managed to improve quality and reliability. Now let's see how this theoretical idea translates into practice. Okay, right. Okay, so, how many minutes? 1 minute? 1.5. 1.5. Okay. Common mistake proofing devices are sounds, colors, forms. In industrial sewing, you use folders, gauges. We have given it here, a picture example. Old system of fixing is scold, retrain, tell to be more careful. But the new system is to remove opportunities for industrial engineers' own error. This is from another presentation where Hydermanis data I got. And I would like to recommend to this audience some references. Sri Lanka Apparel sells a product called HR Manual, which is $50, and we share with any country in the world. You can get it from Sri Lanka Jeff. And India has online clothing study system on the web, free of charge. It's called Online Clothing Study.com. I'm trying to track them down. They don't respond to me. Okay, 5 seconds for one question.
The exit method you had said was to scold, people who are not working and things like this.
Yes.
Vis-a-vis the better method, what is that? Because you just went through it.
Sorry, yes, I know. This is the slide, right? Old technology was scold, retrain, tell to be more careful. The new is remove the opportunities for industrial engineers' own error. That means error proofing. First of all, industrial engineer has to be error proof. You saw that report, 20% variance, 1900% collective variance. Okay. Any other question? 3 seconds, 2 seconds. I have been asked to put my advertisement. Here today I am offering the OGTC members money back guarantee. Money back guarantee. 3 hours. Improving value addition in your sewing unit is so easy, it's so easy. Asia's #1 work study system offers results in 7 days, so the OGT members get their money back. Okay, thank you very much.